picking up one vehicle here, so going to Sacramento, drop that off, go to Rio Linda, pick that up, and drop it off in Stockton. From Stockton, we're going to Modesto, picking up one vehicle in Modesto, and we're going to drop it off in Stockton, and then we're going to go preload. I'm going to drop off my Kaufman and pick up my Infinity. Yes, finally we got a full load for the Infinity. Okay, so the only reason I'm using this right now is because I'm doing a couple drops here and there. There's no point of me bringing the Infinity, which it weighs more, and this one weighs about 8,000 pounds empty, and the Infinity weighs about 12,000 pounds. So do your math, which one's going to waste more fuel. So anyway, don't click out of this channel. Watch us load the Infinity a little later. So we're using 2 trailers today. So let me have my coffee, please. Can I? So anyway, welcome back to the channel, and please subscribe and give it a like. And 2025, we finally, 2025, we're finally going to use Infinity. Okay. When it gets slow, I'm using the Easy 4, the Kaufman. So so right now I'm gonna put the ramps, and we're gonna load up. Anyway, stay tuned. I don't know.
So we're in Lodi, and like you mentioned, we're getting one vehicle here. Washed the trailer yesterday, so it's nice and clean. And he doesn't do this as much as he used to. When he had one trailer, he would do it a little more frequently. But when he when he would wash the trailer, he would touch up all the rust or chip paint. But having 2 trailers, he just kind of neglects it now.
No.
Yes, you do.
I don't neglect nothing. I washed it, but it's too cold to paint. That's the only reason I haven't painted this. Trust me, I would have been on it with the spray can.
So what he purchases is he goes to, like, they sell it everywhere. You can get it at Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart. It's Rust-oleum, black paint.
I use commercial soap for my trailer, which it used to get washed every week. Now it's every once a month because it's winter time. I use that production chemical. It's made in Stockton, and it's some really good soap. Be careful when you step out. This thing is pretty wide.
Does it get there?
No, back up more.
How much?
I'll tell you right now, about a foot. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Whoa! I think that'll work.
So basically, I do all the vehicle inspections. I jot down everything. Being a realtor, I'm really thorough with my inspections. So one thing that I jot down, and I don't know if anybody else does this, but you see, I know he wouldn't if it was him, but there's a tiny little chip. And when you run over it with a pen, you can feel it, but you can barely see it. I jot down the most tiniest chips only because you never know if the buyer is going to be extra picky, and that might be an issue. So I jot down everything. If you're a transporter, do you note the little tiny chips that you can barely see, but you can fill it with a pen, or do you just disregard them?
Why right here? Why this spot?
Because it's over the axles.
Okay. What else do you see?
If it goes back, you won't be able to put it on top of this plate, so you put it there.
Okay, good. Okay. What else do you see?
So the front is over the axles, but not over the plate, so he's able to put the strap on very easily. The rear is over this pipe here, the support for the back.
Yeah. This is right here on this steel beam right here that goes all the way across the trailer. I mean, I could have put this over here, but when you got a steel beam right here, you think it's going to break the trailer? It's not going to break the trailer either way, but this is just my preference right there. I think that's the best, because if you go forward too much, I'm going to waste a lot of fuel. The higher you get, you start hitting the wind. In California, it's windy.
And it's only one vehicle, so he has a lot of different options on where to put it, and this is what he likes to do.
But anyway, back to the soap that I'm using. The commercial soap is from Production Chemical. It's look at my trailer. I mean, I didn't wash it for a whole month because of the rain. I tell you what, man, I don't like a dirty trailer. It bothers me, and it's a nice trailer. I get a lot of compliments on it.
Trailer is actually a 2016. It's 9 years old.
Yeah.
But of course, it does have upgraded mesh. If you're thinking about buying a Kaufman trailer, highly suggest that you pay a little more to get the upgraded mesh, because it really does make a difference. So this does have upgraded mesh.
I don't even think they should make any trailers with the other mesh.
Yeah.
Because it takes a beating. And I've seen some trailers out there are so messed up where they had to replace the whole mesh on the trailer.
So being this is a 2016, it's 9 years old. And you can see that the mesh is in really good condition considering its age.
Well, if you look at it, look how straight that is.
Yeah.
So on the other mesh, you'll see the mesh going like this. Yeah, this is solid, man. We're leaving. Adios.
We're at CarMax in Sacramento. We just delivered the vehicle.
You left the doors open.
I left the doors open?
Yeah.
Really? That is just so strange. I was on the my side's the passenger side. It's 10:04. We just made it to Odessa and Rio Linda, where we're going to transport one vehicle. We already have the gate pass, so this should be pretty quick. To Odessa Braziers and Rio Linda, of course, we had a gate pass. When we checked the location, they said that they already, the vehicle was already taken. Called the car lot, they said they have not taken it, they don't have a transporter, and they don't have the vehicle. So then we went back in, and it looks as though they might have double sold the vehicle for some strange, I don't know how that would have happened, but that the actual, one of the buyers has a vehicle in their possession. Needless to say, we have no vehicle. It's 1:05, we're at a car lot here in Modesto, where we're gonna go ahead and load this this GMC Yukon. Looks like he might have light issues.
Damn. Shit.
It's a big girl.
Yeah, this girl got to eat a lot. Takes all my trailer. Put her on a diet. Hey, back up about 2 inches. Hey, stop. Right there. What was that thing that we hauled this morning? That was a big girl. Now this is a bigger girl. This one we're going to put on a diet. One of our subscribers, he does tow truck.
Oh, okay.
He was thinking about doing this, but we looked into it. That requires Class A. So he's probably not going to do it. But he was telling me he knows a lot of people. They run this setup, but they don't have a Class A. I said, you better be careful.
That's the second person that told us that today.
lot of people that take chances, and you know what? When it comes to it, you're gonna pay the fine, and you're gonna get 1 point against your Class C.
GMC Yukon, and again, he put it over this here, and it's over the axle. We need to go drop this off in Stockton. Then from there, we're gonna drop off this trailer, get the Infinity, and preload.